This was the small hidden story which they have given you to understand in this healthy life prose. Now let me begin with the first paragraph. Many years ago, everyone was strong and healthy. They ate varieties of food and loved fruits and vegetables. They took daily exercises and enjoyed walking, running, playing, and leaping about. The earth was the healthiest place you could imagine, and it was clear that both adults and children were full of joy and were in good mood. Yes, many years ago, what they are telling, many years ago, long years ago, everyone who lived on earth was feeling happy. Why? Because they had a good lifestyle. By what? By having varieties of food, that too which are nutritious and which are helpful for their, which is good for their health, like good fruits, good food, good vegetables they used to have in their routine life. And they, along with that, they used to have a good exercises which will improve their healthy life. Like what? Like walking, running, playing, leaping, all they used to do. Not only by having the fresh food or the fresh fruits or the vegetables, along with they used to have a physical exercise also. These made them to live healthily. Then on the earth, it is how good is it to imagine that the people are living healthily on our planet earth. And it was not only healthy by any small adults or the children, by this they were happy, they were enjoying lot, and they were in the good mood. When they are mentally fit and physically fit. Second para tells that all this made one of the witches furious. She suggested that all the witches should come together to prepare a potion. One who drinks it would lose their desire to live. So that night all the witches gathered in the forest. As I said, long years when everyone were happy and they enjoyed and their health was quite good by having a good food, fruits and vegetables, and by having a physical activities. By seeing this, one of the witches, a woman with a magical power, felt unhappy, and she and along with the small witches, her group made a plan. She suggested to her who were living along with her, the witches, she and the group members planned to spoil this happiness on the earth. What did she suggested means she thought of preparing a poisonous liquid called potion. She and her group discussed and thought of having a preparing a potion. Potion is nothing but a liquid which is containing a poisonous. So that night, what happens? One who is going to have this drink, they will lose their desire to live. That means they will not have any interest to live the life. So that the night all the witches gathered in the forest. In order to prepare this potion, what did the witches do? The woman and along with the group she went to a forest, nearby forest, in order to prepare a potion. So dear students, as I said, the witches are the lady who is having the powerful poisonous magical power. With the help of that, she started preparing a potion along with her group members. Group members means she is also having a small witches along with her. Small magical group she had members. So they all needed to put all their energy to make their potion which would have a powerful spell on people. During the collection of energy, one of the witches made a mistake in uttering the words. As a result, there was a big explosion. It was so big that it completely destroyed the forest. What happened when the witches, the lady woman and their group members, when they went to the forest in preparing a potion, while preparing the potion, they used to chant some words. While chanting the words, what happened? One of the member in the witches, they didn't spell the didn't chant the words properly. By this, what happened? The potion which they were preparing, it took explosion, means it got blast out all over the forest. This was the result of which the was made as a result of the one of the mistake which was done by the witches in that group. So this is the meaning of this paragraph. So dear students, I would like to conclude of this paragraph. So once in a while, long years back, people used to live happily by having proper food and fruits and vegetables and also physical activities. By seeing this on the earth, a magical power lady, what she did, she and along with her group thought of having to spoil this happiness on the earth. For this, they planned to have a preparing a potion called a liquid called poisonous liquid. When they started to prepare this poisonous potion or the liquid, one of the witches in our group made a mistake. What was the mistake? While chanting the um, prayer or the words while preparing the potion, they did a mistake. They misspelled the words. Due to this, there arose an explosion in the forest. Next, we'll go to the next paragraph. We'll see, due to this explosion, what was the result? How the situation made? We'll see in the next class. Thank you. Please go through the video.